Look at all those fish. Yum, yum. These are trout. Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are in Nevada visiting our friends Mark and Shelly, and we are at this fish hatchery where they're volunteering.
It's very interesting.
Yeah, so
lots and lots and lots of fish.
Yeah, yummy, yummy.
On the Colorado.
Yep, this is the Colorado River right behind us, and we're going to take a little tour of the Colorado River on our paddle boards. I think we're going to use them as kayaks, but anyway, we're going to work our way up to a Mark calls it Emerald Caves, so we'll go see if we can make it up there
and make it.
and enjoy some water fun.
Yay!
Sounds good. Peace.
Well, we are paddling up the Colorado River. We are just below the Hoover Dam, and so everyone's just paddling away. See if we can't go find these emerald caves that Mark was talking about. Just paddling away. That life jacket looks like it's on really good. The life jacket looks like it's on really good. Look how low this is compared to over there on the sides. It's how low the river's running right now. This is the end of October. Bottom, this looks pretty good. It's nice and clear water. Pretty smooth out here too, because we're going upstream, so it's better to go up and then we'll come back going down. That'd be better. So this side of the river over on the left here is Nevada, and on this side over here on the right is Arizona. We're just going right up the middle.
Hello.
There used to be a stone house up there, and occupants would have to walk along the trail that goes back over that way. I don't know if you can really see it along the cliff edge over there. And then they take a little trolley car from one side of the river to the other. Well, we got a big party coming towards us, and they're pirates. Oh, they've all broke apart. I think they're hunting somebody down. Party's over.
The Hello Kitty flag.
Hello Kitty, pirates, all kinds of different flags there. But they left us alone, that's what's important. Oh, it looks like they've captured the side of the river there. They're posting their flags. So I guess the party's just starting. So the pirates let us go. We're headed back home. Decided to forget the cave. It's another mile up. And we picked up a little bit of a wind, and the current is more than I thought it would be. So we've decided to bag it. Been a fun afternoon, beautiful day, and look at the clouds. I mean, the sun hasn't been as hot as it was yesterday, so that's been really nice.
David's rigged himself to the front so he can sit up. Good job.
Yeah, my back can't take it.
Yeah, my hips can't take it.
Working good.
Yeah, once that sun gets behind that ridge, it's going to get cool.
Oh, so it's a good idea to be heading back.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, good. I'm not the only one.
All right, we are down here on the river. Looking up almost to the top of that mountain there, you can see the freeway. See the trucks going by. That's how far we had to descend down to get here to the river.
Way straight here. It also has pedals too. I don't have them in right now.
Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Quartzsite, Arizona. We left Mark and Shelley's yesterday and spent a little bit of time with them. Had a lot of fun, and we took this nice little picture so we have something to remember. You know, if you don't take pictures, it didn't happen. So they have a pretty nice little setup. They go around and they volunteer for government jobs, and they work at a couple different fish hatcheries. And you can go onto the government site to find these places that you can apply to see if you can get into them and everything. They like the fish hatcheries to do whatever they might need, security and things like that. So it's a pretty nice deal. You don't get paid, but you get your site and full hookups and everything provided for you. And they pick out locations that work really well for them for enjoying this, the different areas they're in. So you can see what we have a little bit of pink here in the background. Not a lot of clouds in the sky this morning, but I'll tell you, last night, or yesterday I should say, all day they had a wind advisory out, and the wind here was a howling. And boy, I'll tell you, it was just rocking us. And till about 1 or 2 this morning. Of course, I just looked at the thing. It said it was going to be till 1 or 2 because I was asleep. So just helps you go to sleep, right? It's like going on a cruise, you know, you just kind of rock back and forth. But now it's time for us to get back on the road again. So we've got here to Quartzsite today. This morning we are heading down to Yuma. Tonight, or well, today, Ninette's got to prepare to work tomorrow night they're going to have a Halloween dance tomorrow night at the resort. So we're going to get there a day early. We're going to get there early today so that Ninette can get her lights and things set up for that. But if you watched some of our other videos, you know that we have another RV. So we're going to be doing a little leapfrogging today. The other RV is parked in our spot there in Yuma. We picked up some solar panels here. We got 8 solar panels for that rig. So we've got to move them out of this rig into that rig and go take that rig and go park it into storage. And we found a nice little place to do that. And so we got to kind of do that little work today and get some things transferred back and forth between the coaches, and then get this one, Beulah, parked in our regular spot so that we can enjoy our time here in Yuma. So Ninette will be work camping this year. I will not. I will be spending my time working on the new RV. So the first thing is the solar panels that we brought down from Salt Lake. We got a really good deal on them. And so we brought these big solar panels down, and we need to get those put onto the rig as the first part of getting it all set up for solar. There's a lot to do, a lot of electrical things that's got to be worked out, and parts that's got to be replaced, and so it's gonna be the journey. So, and that's what makes it fun when you get a new RV, is the journey of getting it set up the way that you want it to be, so that you guys can enjoy it. That other RV is called Bella, so that's Bella. This is Beulah, and Beulah is we've been in Beulah for 7 years, and we have done a lot of upgrades on it, and it works very nice, very good for boondocking. It's completely 100% self-contained. We can typically produce all the power we want, but if we have issues, then we do have a little generator that we can start up to charge our batteries, but it is all lithium and everything like that. So we have Bella's got a lot to have done on her to get her to be the same as Beulah. And we've got a lot of we're going to do some cabinetry work and things like that too. So I got to pick up some oak wood to match the oak interior, and got a lot of shop work to do while we're here in Yuma. Well, we have arrived at Yuma, and we have parked up here at this church just above Sundance, and I'm going to go get the other unit, and then we can kind of switch things around a little bit to get ready to move in.
Okay, voila. Have 8 solar panels. A lot easier than putting them up on the roof. That'll be harder.
Well, that's the end of... Oh, Ninette's trying to get the best
need to get
picture.
you in there.
Oh, is that it? Okay, well, anyway, I'm in the picture now. Okay, so we are back to Yuma. We made it today. We did some little swapping around, and if you watch some of our other videos, we did get a new motorhome, and so we had to switch things around for that. We brought some solar panels down for that, so you'll have to look at those videos. So all that information will be on the video for that, but you know, that'll be like a fix-it-yourself type thing. So anyway, this ends our 14,000
miles.
and it was a lot more than that,
and
but
his 2,000 more miles.
yeah. So I've put a lot of miles on this summer for sure.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, that finishes this, and we've had a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
A lot of fun. Got to see a lot of people. Got to
Yes.
see a lot of places. It's just been a really
Whirlwind.
fun summer. Yeah.
Yes.
So anyway, our next video will have a recap of that and all our expenses. We'll talk about this. This by far has been our most expensive trip.
Lots of gas.
Yeah. So anyway, we'll be talking about that on our next video. But for now, this ends this video. So thanks for coming along, and thanks for supporting us, and you know, just being there, and hopefully you've enjoyed the trip and everything, because we have really enjoyed it. So so anyway, you guys all take care. See you later.